Hello and welcome back. Today we're going to be drawing Sonic. So this video has two parts. First, drawing. I'm going to be showing you how to draw Sonic easy step by step. And second, coloring. Then we will color it together. Before we begin, make sure to subscribe.
Stop it. Get some help.
Now let's start drawing. We begin with a curved oval. Starting from here, leave a space in here and a tiny oval for its nose. Let's add a laugh line here. For its eyes, let's go like this. It should be good. Now the eyebrows. Draw a big curved line from here draw a little one. And do this again 2 more times. Let's add an ear by drawing a triangle. We should use a thinner marker for its eyes. This is good. Draw 2 little ovals for its eyes. And add its teeth. Let's go for its second ear. And cover eyes and nose in black. And let's color it. We start by light blue. We color some edges and eyebrows and ears. I speed up the process. Time to use some white. And some brown for shadow. It's time for a skin color. Its mouth too. Now we color eyes. Start with a light green. Color it like a J letter. Color the rest with dark green. And here comes the most important part. Use correction pen and color a circle in eyes to make them look real. This is very effective and it makes your drawing look so much better. Don't you love it? Now let's use black to add some shadows. Some light gray to add shadows in eyes. And we color the whole left parts in blue. And it's done. Please like if you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video.